Hi, my name is Phoebe and I'm studying at Leicester University for diagnostic radiography. At Leicester, I really appreciated that they had a lot of opportunities for lots of practical work, working with other people, with lecturers, and just that opportunity was really great. I was aware of learning anatomy, but I didn't know that we were having such a on-hand practical live demonstration for us. But I appreciate that we were able to experience that especially. No, I didn't know about the dissection room before applying. I was aware of learning anatomy, but I was definitely not aware of having a live demonstration for me and for everyone else. However, I definitely appreciate the fact that we have this opportunity for it to be given to us, and yeah, I'm really excited for this experience. Before coming here, we were instructed to definitely eat before we go in, just to prevent any fainting and just keeping calm. I've spoken to the other students about it, and we've all spoken about how we're excited but a bit nervous at the same time. But speaking with them has definitely helped. I mean, we're all in the same boat, and just discussing with them what we might be seeing definitely helped. Well, just coming out of the dissecting room, lots of things happened that I didn't I was prepared for, but I experienced different new things because we had the opportunity to touch the body sometimes, and I definitely have a great appreciation of the location of different anatomy because it's a new way of learning anatomy. It being more precise, maybe it's different from what you see on models, and of course with diagnostic radiography you're only seeing in black and white, but being able to see it in person with real cadavers was a great experience. I think just being able to have a more in-depth approach to learning anatomy is what I'm most looking forward to, and because as far as I'm aware, not many other courses, especially around the country, especially with diagnostic radiography, have this opportunity, and so for being able to do that is something I'm extremely looking forward to.